DJI MIMO app. So how to install it? So here's the app. All-in-one app made specifically for DJI Osmo Pocket handheld gimbal, Osmo Action Camera, Osmo Mobile 3, DJI Arm 4, and DJI Pocket 2. MIMO offers HD live view during recording, intelligent features such as My Story for quick editing, and other tools not available with the handheld stabilizer alone. MIMO lets you capture, edit, and share the best of your moments right from your fingertips. Supports HD Live and 4K video recording. Controls Osmo Pocket, Osmo Action, Osmo Mobile 3 via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. My Story video templates designed by professionals allow you to edit your videos with a single tap. Precise face identification, upload and share videos with just a tap. So yeah, this is if you have DJI drone in there, so that's basically the app you can try. So it's just taking some time, like, all right, so it's 1 GB size, the app. So you just need to know that. Yeah, it's quite a huge app, amazing application. Shooting is simplified, great interface. So it's kind of good app. So try it out.